10 future gadgets you'll wish you had in 2022. A lot of times, the future doesn't seem so bright to us. We see all the problems in the world and feel overwhelmed by them. If you're feeling pessimistic, take a look at these amazing gadgets coming out in 2022 that will put things into perspective and show you how much better things are than they used to be. 1. Easy carrying. Electric cars are on the rise as evidenced by the success of companies like Tesla. The big downside? Range anxiety. That's the fear you'll run out of juice and won't be able to charge anywhere nearby. A new startup has designed a backpack for electric cars called eBag that stores enough electricity to charge an electric car 5 times over. It doesn't take up much space in your trunk either because it uses foldable solar panels. If this innovation is widely adopted, we might see less people needing those expensive battery packs for their homes or workplace charging stations. Which brings us to another great idea: phones. I'm sure most of us have grown tired of cables and want something more efficient, but why not use power transfer over Bluetooth? That way you could charge your phone wirelessly without ever having to connect anything. 2. When 3D printing goes mainstream. Sure, 3D printing might seem a little silly now, but when it becomes more mainstream, we're going to be seeing tons of cool things that are currently impossible to create with traditional manufacturing. Check out these examples of products people have already made and imagine what we could do when 3D printing goes mainstream. Imagine buying clothes online and having them delivered to your house so you can put them on right away. Imagine the kids who get their favorite toy printed for their birthday. Imagine not needing to go buy groceries because you just print them at home. Imagine never getting lost again because your car is always telling you where to go, or being able to talk to a website and buy anything without even touching the screen. 3. Wearable tech. This is an exciting time for wearable tech and a big industry to look out for. A popular emerging wearable concept is augmented reality. This form of technology overlays images on top of your field of vision, allowing you to see the digital world in tandem with the physical world. Think of how Google Glass takes pictures and videos without looking through a lens, or how video games like Pokemon Go overlay gaming graphics onto your surroundings. With the help of augmented reality, we can expect this trend to continue into 2030s. For example, Nike released its self-lacing Hyper-Adapt 1.0 sneakers last year that are capable of tightening themselves automatically by simply tapping them with your foot. They also released the Nike Plus Air Vapor Max Mach 2 shoes earlier this year that have sensors in them that track data about your runs, including distance traveled, calories burned, and more, all of which can be uploaded wirelessly to Nike's app via Bluetooth connection. 4. Intelligent jewelry. The newest innovation in the jewelry industry is intelligent jewelry. Basically, this type of piece has an embedded microprocessor, sensors, and a screen which can be customized with different functions. It's worn like any other piece of jewelry and can link to your smartphone to do things like control music playback or your phone's camera. Yes, there are plenty of new tech gadgets out there, but few pack as much punch as intelligent jewelry. Wearable devices such as Fitbit have become increasingly popular over the past decade, but smart jewelry takes it one step further by offering features that go beyond fitness tracking. By simply tapping on the surface of your wrist, you can answer a call or send a text message, for example. There are even some pieces that offer haptic feedback, so you know when someone is calling. Intelligent jewelry will make it easier than ever to stay connected without having to reach into your pocket every time your phone rings. 5. Smarter homes. The 21st century smart home allows you to control every light, appliance, and air conditioner from your phone. While you are out of the house for work or play, you can't do more than just leave a note on the fridge. With your phone you can turn off lights or even lock the doors before leaving. turning everything off from one place is nice when you come home and don't want to have to walk around turning on everything one by one. It saves time, money, and energy. With this gadget, you never have to worry about coming home to an empty house with no power because the kids forgot to turn it off. And if you need to quickly send a voice message from your tablet to let someone know you're not feeling well, all you need to do is tell Siri send mom a message. Then say something like "Mom, I'm not feeling well," followed by "what's wrong," and she will send the message for you. If that's not cool enough for you yet, how about also being able to access streaming content without paying any monthly fees? 6. Hands-free computing. The technology is still being refined and updated, but hands-free computing could be a game changer. Here's how it might work. Instead of typing on a keyboard to type something into a computer, the user would vocalize their words and an AI system would convert them into text. A more futuristic version could involve scanning your brainwaves to write something by just thinking about it. If this becomes a reality, the need for keyboards will disappear entirely. Another option is using a headband or helmet that reads your thoughts through electroencephalography readings, which sends signals to another device that converts those signals into commands and sends them to the PC. 7. Airport travel gets easier and faster. The next big innovation for airport travel will be the self-checking kiosk, which is expected to debut next year. The machine will allow travelers to use their passport or ID card to scan their personal information, which the computer will then convert into a digital boarding pass. With the boarding pass created, travelers will then be able to bypass much of the security line and check their luggage. Once they arrive at the gate, they can simply hand over their passports to an attendant and go straight through security screening. Travelers could also choose to print out a boarding pass from home by using a desktop printer with built-in camera capabilities so that it's as simple as scanning your documents with your phone. 8. Better smartphones. Much to the chagrin of Apple, smartphones as we know them are on their way out. Why? Because with Siri and other speech recognition software capable of understanding human language, a whole lot more can be done without tapping on a touch screen. The next generation will have interactive screens that can be used at eye level, and voice commands will operate not just one device but your entire home. It won't matter if you're wearing glasses or contact lenses, your smartphone will still be able to read your eyes and interact with any interface it sees within its field of vision. 9. Killer gaming devices. As we enter a new decade, it's hard to predict the technology that will be seen on our streets. But from personal experience as a gamer and interactive designer, I can confidently say that gaming devices will come a long way in the next 10 years. The video game industry is evolving faster than ever before, and with more kids being born into this world of high-tech gadgets, some form of gaming device will be essential for their entertainment. Let's take a look at what may become popular in the near future. The iPod. This virtual reality headset allows you to play games inside your head. It comes with a specially designed chair that connects wirelessly to the unit, so you can sit down and dive right into the action. Imagine playing HaLo without having to put any time or effort in. All you have to do is sit back and enjoy the ride. The iPod also comes equipped with an optional AI system, who sits by your side during gameplay and coaches you through difficult levels. It's perfect for beginners who don't want their scores ruined by skilled gamers out there who dominate every level without breaking a sweat. 10. Innovative eyewear. Fascinated by wearable technology? There's a lot of different types of devices you can put on your body. These types include the type that covers your entire face, such as a virtual reality headset and glasses that you can use to look at a computer or watch TV. One new type is called smart glasses. They're like regular glasses, but also have a camera, earbuds, and possibly other devices built in. For example, You could use them to talk to someone across the world or watch a movie with others around you. Another new type of wearable device are haptic gloves. You could wear these when using a touch screen and it would feel like there are buttons under your fingers. Hey guys, we just want to say thanks for watching this video and that we hope you found it helpful. To summarize everything we talked about, other gadgets you must own in 2022, high-tech gloves that detect when your hands are getting too cold, self-cleaning toilet brush, hair mask like they have on their commercials. You've been a really good audience. See you soon.